many eyes and tell me you love me now. Y'all remember that song? Bro, I don't even remember what that song is called. But what's up and what's happening, baby? As you guys can see, it's also the most Paul Cantu, too icy for your wifey with the Solar Bear fit. And today I have a brand new unboxing from you guys. So yeah, we have a fan flame subscriber scrumdiddlyumptious little unboxing, and we have a good amount of things that I've had in my possession for a hot little minute. Hold on now, baby. Look at these. Yeah. So we have a bunch of packages to crack into today, and I'm sure there's a lot more that have been residing in my P.O. box, which I haven't checked in a couple months, so I'm gonna go re-up probably in the next couple of days. But it feels nice to know that this unboxing, we're gonna get through everything remaining that I have from you guys and a couple of brands, sneakers potentially, and all of that. Thank you to everyone who's been shopping on the website as well, thriftheavyvintage.com, and everyone who has checked out my second channel. So yes, if you guys have not got your fix of your boy in your veins, then make sure you subscribe to my second channel. There are videos on the Paul Plan 2 channel dropped in between videos being dropped up on here, okay? For sure. Without further ado, let's get into the first package right now and see what we have in store today. Okay, my children, so this first package I actually already peeked into because it came to my home address, which is odd because most things come in my P.O. box. But inside you have the infamous abstract seagull of a brand design. Now this is from the fine folks at Foot Locker, I do believe. And obviously we got a pair of box in this bitch. So let's see what's happening, Captain. Let's see if they send me a complete dud or not. The box is cool, man. Red and navy blue. Okay. Oh yeah, let's get in that paper. Oh, what are these?
What are
okay. Bruh. Oh, holy hell. Hey, focus on these dudes. Look at that. Is that pastel? My brothers. You have these Reebok little things right here. I don't even know what the name of these is. Oh, this is from Champs. Did I say Foot Locker? My bad. These are from Champs, bruh. It says, we're so excited to introduce you to the season's classic leather legacy. As someone who's created a legacy, we're truly so inspired by this shoe's the perfect pairing on your journey. It's called the classic leather legacy. All right, so yes, boom, pastel, baby. Yeah, all day, every day. They sent me a size 12.5, which isn't my size, but maybe these run half a size small. I'm not gonna act ungrateful because these are actually low-key kind of hard, you feel me? So I appreciate it, Champs, and I appreciate it, Reebok. I will never be ungrateful for being blessed with free shoes. It truly does mean the world, so shout out to you guys at Champs and at Reebok for these dudes. I appreciate it. Got that fresh factory smell, baby. I love that odor in my nose. So yeah, and also thank you to all you guys for watching. For real, without y'all, none of this would be possible. I remember I started this channel watching people like Timothy De La Ghetto unbox so many clothes they didn't know what to do with. And I remember seeing that back in the day when I was in high school, just going to Zoomies, like just scraping by for any hoodie. And now I get like shoes sent to me. It's crazy. Everything, man, has come full circle and I appreciate it. So yeah, man, it really does mean the world. Thanks. All right, getting into this next parcel. Where's my horse at, bruh? Trish! Damn, oh, right here, okay. Now, I don't know if some of these things are purchases. Some of them are from y'all. But I just figured I see what is good, you know? Okay, so this is a nice little hat right here. It's a little Captain Morgan, I do believe, or maybe just some pirate vintage new era snapback. But this dude is sipping on some rum. About to hit the brothel and yeah, spend his booty to get some booty. And that's the best way to do it in my humble opinion. This thing is nice right here, boy. That thing is nice. Now, we also have what I think is another package that somebody sent me in an envelope. This, nah, tripping. You guys know I always react accordingly to horrible shipping decisions, and this was one. Bruh, are you a slam cake? They really sent me a slam cake. This was a cool Corvette vintage snapback, bruh. This thing is flat as hell, man. It looks like the Tupperware that got ran over in Napoleon Dynamite. Dang it. But boom, you know, you can get it a little bit erect. You can pump some air into it in the frame. I'm gonna have to throw this in the snapback restoration station and get to that later, okay? For sure. Now, this package right here, it looks international, bruh. This is from Kicks and Threads. This was sent on a courier. Look at that color. So let's see what Kicks and Threads done sent you. Boom! Okay. We just cracked into one, man. We cracked into one. I saw a little shoulder sleeve, man. Little clavicle. And I love it. This says, Paul, I've been watching your videos for a while now, and you're part of the reason I started flipping vintage clothes. I've been doing it for 2 years now, and I love the community and the hunt. Here's a few pieces I thought you might enjoy. Much love from Canada. I was right, it's foreign. Ryan. If you could shout out my page at Kicks_and_Threads, I'd really appreciate it. Bro, you sent me this such a long time ago. Hopefully you still do watch and get pissed off or impatient, thinking I'm just, you know, hoarding your shit without revealing it to the world. You be wrong, okay? It just took me a little minute. But guys, peep game, man. You got the Chief Wazoodle, or whatever the name of this mascot is. I don't even mean to be offensive, bro, but his name is like Chief Wahoo or some shit. Bro, you got the Cleveland Indians. Big boy logo on the back. Very clean, nice little Henley right there. You guys can show off a little bit of that taco meat. Oh, no, this is a jersey, bro. This goes all the way down to the umbilical crater. So that's beautiful. Let's see what else we have going on right here. Ow, you got the Freedom, baby. America's supreme sacrifice. And my boy is just lighting up a little doobster. That boy is high as hell in more ways than one. Got the eagle on it, looking lethal. Goddamn American, man. Look at that, double-sided, baby. Evidently, there are 2 bald eagles in my city, bro. I'm trying to peep game. I'm trying to see one. But this last piece is what really moistened my loins, what really lubed me up, for lack of a better term in words. Sorry if I'm being offensive. But, dude, you have the Clyde Drexler vintage Houston Rockets jersey, size 48. This is a banger, man. Champion, red, white, and blue. I love this Rockets logo, bro. Like, the 90s jerseys are just so much harder than anything that they can temporarily make, but they are making better strides and efforts, which I do appreciate, and I can show love too, you feel me? But this is just a crisper, bro. Thank you so much, Ryan. You guys go check out his shit, obviously. Now, this looks like a little leather right here, man. Look at the writing, bro. And yes, I can reveal the address because I have a P.O. box, but look at that. That is stylized, baby. That is stylized to perfection. So, yeah, man, I don't expect you guys to send me clothes. I don't expect y'all to send me shit, matter of fact. But it is nice when people do go ahead and leave a little note. Is this, bruh, is that hand-drawn? What is this? Big Chief in Washington. All right, let's see what's going on here. It says, haha, I had to send this back to you because it's Young Clipper. Bruh. Hey, I add cards to orders, or at least I used to till I ran out, and someone said this is Young Clipper. So shout out that boy, Sir Charles Garza, you heard me? Young Clipper. Fuck with who? Bruh.
Fuck with me.
That's fire. That's hilarious. I can't believe you paid a stamp for that. All right, this next package is from Suzanne Foley, and this probably is an eBay purchase, but you guys know I just love shouting out randos. It is, look at that, double wrapped. This thing is beautimous. Let's see what's going on up in here. Let's see what I have selected. Oh my God, look at this, hardcore. Bruh, what does that say, hardcore attitude? Dog, you got Taz just with explosions behind him. My boy is launching nukes. Someone gave him the codes and my man is just blowing up civilization. That's what's up. This is a hard piece. Shout out to me. Congratulations, Paul. You made a great purchasing decision. Now we have this parcel right here, which was sent to my very old address. And bruh, look how, dog, look how small. Actually, this is my current PO. Look how small that label is. Dog, how'd they even do that? Like, how did they do that? They printed that on the smallest label maker. I don't even know how the post office was like, yeah, we'll just go ahead and ship this. Goddamn, bruh. It took them 3 months to deliver my family's Christmas gifts, let alone they ship this. Come on, man. All right, this is legible, bruh. This is that big, blind, elderly person font. It says, Paul, here's some dope gear that my girl and I have found on our thrift journey here in the PNW that we thought you'd dig. Cheers, Tony and Jess. I love y'all. PNW Vintage Thrift Swag. Hey, look them up, brothers. Thanks for the stickers, dude. I appreciate that. And shout out the whole Pacific Northwest. You feel me? Oh! Bruh, they sent me a banger. Okay, first and foremost, this is hard too. I'm gonna wear this to church. I don't really attend church that often, but if I did, I'd wear this. It kind of reminds me of an aquarium. You got a little bit of that seaweed color scheme. You got some little oysters or clams. And then you have the water, the blue water. And then this piece is what really, oh my God. Again, moisten the loins, guys. It really chubbed me up, all right? Space Jam pillowcase. Okay. Monstars on the back. Bruh. Toon Squad on the front. Hard. Hard than a mug, bruh. Thank you so much for this. This is straight fire. Holy hell, man. Drop the emojis. Dropping emojis. And then, oh, I hate a what, bruh? I hate a Goofy especially.
I hate a Goofy especially.
Big blessings. My boy Goof got that loose neck. Dang, that fool's neck is, that shit hella flaccid. Bro, he's sagging too. Look at them goofy draws. My man is big thugged up. Big drip. Look at that denim drip. True religion on the denim. Look at that ass. My guy, big goof. And also, like, I think he's a puppet because I can, like, fist the back of his head. Hello. I hate a Goofy especially. Fuck you. This is why I'm not a puppeteer. Do not invite me to your public library, all right? And then let's see what else we got. Let's see what else we got. We got this little package right here from Glitch Street, all right? Glitch Street. Let's see what they sent me. Let's see what they done sent me right here. Oh, this one, you put this on your neck and stuff so you can walk around, you feel me? And people go fishing in these too. Thank you, Glitch Street. This is crazy, all right? It's called like a neck gall or something like that. If you guys know the official terminology, let me know. And then I guess this will be the last piece. Another little eBay grab. Little steal right here, I assume. And again, bro, my eBay purchasing decisions are just on freaking point, bruh. Look at this. I wish football season was still happening. You got another Taz right here. It says, breaking barriers. I can read, father. I just learned, baby. Picked up that phonics. But yeah, Taz just got the football. That is a very unsecured grip. But he looks like he's playing no games. Just destroyed the whole field like Bane and Batman. This is awesome. Field goal post stood no chance. That thing is bent up. But hell yeah, guys. Hopefully y'all did enjoy this quick little unboxing. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe as per the usual. Check out my second channel if you guys want some high quality gardening content. And yeah, I just wanted to drop this video in the meantime because I do have a couple of bigger projects I am editing. Trip to the Thrift, I raided a warehouse that you guys are gonna see. And also I have some DIY woodworking projects that are in the works. So I just want to drop something just, you know, to moisten the palate a little bit for you boys and girls out there. And just give you something to watch in the meantime. So stay tuned. A lot of content is coming soon. If you guys want to send me something, my P.O. box is in the description. The link to my website, Thrift Heaven Vintage, is in the description. That's the best way you guys can support me. And yeah, man, love you guys. Overall, just thanks for watching. Hope you guys are having a blessed, great day. Thanks to everyone who pulled up to the event as well. I appreciate you. And I'll see you guys next time. Live the dream. Eat that ice cream. I'm locked. I'm loaded. And I'm out. Peace and love. I'm gone.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.